Saquon, get me a ton of views on IG, please.
Isaiah.
Love you, Dallas. What's up, Slay?
Thank you so much.
I gotta have it, but ain't nothing in there? No snacks in there?
I'm here with more cornerback on the Colts. Say what's up to Tyson, man.
Tyson, what up, bro? We missing you out here in Philly. Wish you was here. We're having some fun. Good luck going forward, man. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Yep. Scored up a grand on that video, man. Yeah, you got it, baby. How's Zach and James doing? Doing good, man.
Thank you.
What up, baby Rhino? What up, baby Rhino? What up, baby? Good shit, T.O. We love you, man.
It's a blast to be here. Got a great group of guys to help put on a show for the incredible crowd that's out there right now. So we're super excited and always go Birds, baby.
Go Birds, baby. Appreciate you.
No problem.
My God, thank you.
My God, thank you.
That is being worn on the field this
Hey, it wasn't a homer, but I'll take the over 1, 2 RBI. I'll take that.
Let's go, baby.
I'll take the 2 RBI.
Yeah. Shit. Shit, guys. You really remember me, Saquon. Valley Forge Casino. We did a signing in November.
Thank you so much.
Put him.
Yeah. Oh, you want to sign up?
What up, baby? Ooh. That's gone. That's out of here. Cooper DeJean. Goes yard. Love you, Ryan.
Hey, what's up, man?
Everybody else, make y'all wait till y'all see players in here.
Defensive Rookie of the Year. Rookie of the Year, my man. Rookie of the Year.
Make y'all wait till y'all see.
Yes, Smitty. Yeah, Dallas. What up, baby?
What up? How we doing?
Good, man.
How we out?